looking to block a big project like a shawl, you're going to want to let it soak in water. We're going to put it in the tub. Kind of flattening it out, making sure that the color sections aren't going into each other too much. You're going to leave it in the water for about 15 minutes so that it can soak up that water and relax the fibers. I'm going to go ahead and drain the water. Squeeze the excess water out. You don't want to wring it, just gently squeeze out the excess water. Big projects that can be a difficult process. Again, not wringing it out, just squeezing out. We're going to lay out the project on a towel. Since we've relaxed the fibers, we have to be careful. We don't want to overstretch it at this point. All right. Doesn't have to be perfectly fit to the towel. The goal here is to get more of the water out. So we're going to roll our project up in this towel. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just trying to get as much water out as possible. So once we roll it up into the towel, gently kneel on the towel to soak up as much water from the project as we can into the towel. I like to give it a quarter turn and do that again. Do it one more time from this side. Of course, we want the project to dry as quick as we can so that we can get it finished and ready to wear. All right, so we're going to move this over to our blocking boards. And I'll show you that step over there. So we have our blocking boards and we have some pins. We're going to spread out the project as best we can on the boards, and once we get it all laid out, we're going to you can probably lay it into position and leave it flat to dry, or you can pin it. I'm going to pin it to these boards. use the board's measurements to help get straight edges. Make sure that we don't have edges curling under. And then I will go ahead and pin it to place. Alright, so there it is, all laid out flat. And we will add some pins. Here is passage pinned and palimpsest. Once they're dry, pull the pins out, and here is an example of the passage shawl once it is finished blocking and dry. Happy knitting and crocheting and blocking, and I hope that your projects turn out just as wonderful as you are. Have a great day. Bye.